and Beaus, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Imani Cole. Today we are filming a natural makeup tutorial. I'm showing you guys how I do my natural makeup. It's very simple, very easy, and today I'm just going to show you guys. So if you're interested, continue watching. Neutral brown from e.l.f. I like the e.l.f. brand since it's not so pricey, you know. I'm a frugal person. I'm not gonna say the word cheap. Cheap is a better word, okay? I am frugal. I save my cash responsibly and make the right choices to get the best products. And this e.l.f. pencil is the best thing yet. So what I do is I just brush my eyebrow in the shape that I want to be in. I don't get my eyebrows done. All I do is just shape them with a brush or the gel, and hopefully it sticks. But I'm just gonna go ahead and get the stick, just a little angle like that, and then this is the part where you fill it in. I used to do like a super boxy looking eyebrow, which is not cute. Now all I do is I just lightly line under, and then I continue to the tail. Make sure to brush a little bit off, and you can blend it in with your brush. And once it's like that, you can brush a little bit up, follow that, and then go above. I don't want to go up here. I want to like look a bit natural up here, so I just follow the tail with the pencil. Finish my eyebrows. I go in with a gel to hold it in. I'm using the e.l.f. brand for eyelashes and eyebrows. I mainly use it for my eyebrows since it holds pretty well and it has two sides. To concealer. So for concealer, I use Tarte in the shade Rich.
So what I'm doing here is I'm getting my concealer and I'm just dotting wherever I have any blemishes, pimples, or marks. And then I get my beauty blender and I damp it with some water, and then I blend in an upward motion.
Nubian 2 by Juvia's. This is a very good palette. Their colors are all nice. They're neutral. That's what I like about them. And they have very pigmented colors. It's also a not very expensive brand of makeup, and they give you your cash's worth. You see that? Big. Nice, you know. And with Morocco.
So now I'm just using my blending brush and I'm going in my crease in circular motions, ending it into my eyelid, and then I am going to be using the color Zuri in my tear ducts. So now I'm just using any old mascara that I found. This one is from Mary Kate. It's called Lash Extensions. If you like it, look into it, but I just got it for free and want to try it out, so.
Soft Focus finishing powder. It's in the color Creamy Bronze Finish. This is my tone. This thing breaks very easily, so if you let it purchase it, be very careful with it because it will shatter. I keep it in bubble wrap so it won't break. But it's a very good product. You got it from Target. Oh, I got this palette from Ulta. And my other stuff is from
So now I'm using this other e.l.f. product again called Moonlight, and I'm putting that on my brow bone, on the tip of my nose, on my cheekbones, and on my Cupid's bow, my lips. Now I'm topping my lips off in the color Madeline by NYX Butter Gloss. So since I finished my makeup, I thought it would be pretty cool to try out the whole mirror photo thing, and I think that it came out incredible. These photos are very professional. I will eventually post it on my social medias because it just looks amazing, and it had a great ending to it all. I think that everything just worked out perfectly.